What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a really long time, it's almost been a month since I haven't filmed a video, but I was just busy in a lot of stuff. Like I say this all the time, but still I am gonna say it once more because really I was busy. It was my friend's sister wedding, so I had a lot of stuff to do on her wedding, so I was just busy in all that, so that's why I wasn't able to film a video. And I'm just filming it today because I have to. Though I have my practical exams, this month I have all of my exams and term exams, and they are not going well. Like right now, my practicals are going on, and I have to put this on. Sorry, I forgot about that. So I did it. So what I was saying is, my exams are going on and they are not going well. Like right now, they are not going well at all. Yesterday's practical and today's practical were the worst. Like today was one of the worst practicals I have ever had in my entire life. She was just asking some random stuff and I didn't know any answers to those questions, and those were like one of the difficult questions she have ever asked to anyone. Nobody was able to answer those questions, and I don't know why she does that to me. But yesterday too, she was the one who took my practical. Yesterday it was alright, it wasn't that bad, but today it was the worst practical of my entire life. So I am not going to talk about it anymore because I have an exam, so I have to focus on it a little bit. But still I am going to film the videos for you guys because it is necessary. I know I have my online exams, so but still I have to study for them too, because they are also gonna have impact on my grades in my end result, so I have to study. So other than that, everything is going fine. I'm happy about it, but there are few things which happened to my car I haven't told you because I wasn't able to film a video. So the power steering pump which I got fixed have started leaking again, and it is leaking a lot. Like a lot. It is leaking a lot and I am not happy with it. I don't know what to say, but I took an appointment from the same mechanic I went to when I got this pump fixed, and he told me that I can go to his shop tomorrow. So let's just see what's gonna happen tomorrow. I am just waiting for it, and I hope it is gonna be nice because I don't feel like it is good that I am having a power steering pump leak. I've already got it fixed. I paid so much to get it fixed, but still now it is leaking, so I'm not happy with it. So I hope this time he's gonna fix it properly and I'm not gonna have any problems with it. So I am just looking at all these things and I hope it is gonna be nice. But seriously, I'll say this, I am not happy with what's happening right now. Like there are a lot of things which are not good at this time, but I just have to live through them. I cannot do anything about it. So let's see how I am gonna deal with it and how it is gonna be like. But I am just thinking of a lot of things, and most of the things are not going right with me. I don't know why, but I seriously don't know what to do. And a really big thing happened today. Like not today, but I think day before yesterday somebody sideswiped my car. Like it looks really bad now. Like from the back left quarter panel, it is wrecked almost. Like that person just went inside the body. That's not just a sideswipe like a small scratch. That is inside the body and it looks really bad. I don't know what to do, but I am gonna show you in a bit because I want to find a parking space. After that I'll show you how bad it is. But I think it is really bad and I don't know how to fix it right now. So if any of you guys know how to fix that sideswipe, please let me know in the comments because I would really like to read that and I would really like to fix it because it looks really bad right now. Like I'm not happy with it at all. So I have to do something with it. Like I have to do something. So let's see what I'm gonna do about it. I just don't want it to be messed up. So let's just see how it is gonna be. So this is the side swipe. As you can see, it is indented in my car. So you can see this easily. This thing is just indented in my car and it looks really bad. So from this side, it is just inside my body. I don't know why it is not focusing, but it looks really bad right now, and it starts from here and it is all the way to the back, almost all the way to the back, and it looks really bad. So if you are gonna see it from a far away distance, it is gonna look really bad. So I don't know what to do about it. I know I have to fix it, but let's see what I'm gonna do about it. So guys, I don't know what to do about it, but it is not going pretty well at this time. So I am gonna do something about it. I am gonna get it fixed, but I would like you guys to help me and let me know how to get this fixed, because I really want to get this fixed. It looks really bad and I want it to be fixed. So I am gonna get it fixed somehow, and I don't know how much it is gonna cost me to do that, but let's just see how it is gonna be. And but still I'm thankful to have this car, so I have to let go of these things. I don't know who did this. The car was parked outside my house, but still this happened. So oh well, let's just see what's gonna happen. So I'll end this video right here. Thank you guys for watching my video. Just subscribe to my channel, because you know that helps me a lot and I want to grow my channel. These are some really bad things, but I still have to live up to it. So thank you guys. Thank you to all of you guys who have subscribed to my channel. Peace out. Just subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Yeah.